Okay, so this is part of our life on the rock. Early this morning, come over here. Early this morning, our pigs ran away because we didn't check, but the big pen, the timber here was old, it was rotted out, so it broke. That held a bottom piece there for the door. This is the door here. So that is our door. Yeah, so that's our door. And look, so this piece here is broken in the bottom part. So, and the door was shifted right in. And the pigs got out. So, we're just gonna repair them now. What do you think, Boom?
Yep. Somebody put the nail to the right side, left.
Why did your pigs escape?
They roaming around. Himana saw the first one in the road, and I saw the neighbor in the other side.
Okay, so, but it's good news. They're back in their pen now. Yeah. So we just gotta fix our big pen. I didn't inspect it properly the other day, so I think I'm gonna do that and get this all done. There they are, little piggies. That's the original pen, but I shifted them over this side. So, because that one there needs a little bit of maintenance. So I shifted them here to maintain that one. Maybe I'll leave them here for about a month. I'll leave them over this pen for about a month before taking them back to the original pen. Right. All right. So what did you do to Pusan?
Yeah.
Hold it. That was a bit too hard. That's what we do when we feed the pigs. We ended up feeding ourselves first. So normally that's what I do. Just grab it, turn to the nice clean side and start eating. There we go. Not too bad. It's a pretty good new tupu, this one, nice and sweet. Yeah, had my share now. The rest is going to the pigs. I ate him. And also, this very invasive species You can see there, this invasive species. I think they call it also, another name is taro vine. It's everywhere on Niue. See? That's it, creeping all over the trees. It's everywhere. Their leaves can get massive too. You can see on the tree there on the other side. And this vine can get so big and heavy when they creep up on the trees of the coconut trees. And they will eventually get so heavy that I've seen a couple of coconut trees around here that actually eventually toppled over because of the weight. And there's another example right there on that side. I don't think you can see clearly, but that's a branch. So that's the branch there. It broke. Yeah, it broke, and now it's on the ground because it was too heavy. Yeah, so that's the branch on that tree that was broken because it was too heavy. And there it is on the ground because of the taro vine. The leaves can get massive. So another good thing I found is that I just cut them up and chuck them to the pigs, and they will just hammer it. They will devour all those leaves. It's another good way to get rid of them. When you cut them up, just chuck them for your pigs, and they'll take care of it. For me, just giving more for the pigs. I was supposed to put some roofing over our pigsty here, put a roofing over here, but I haven't got around to it yet. Oh. These are the nails that were taken off our crate last time, so we saved it for this kind of purposes, for repairing the pig pen when it's broken. So recycling, reuse, Yeah, we were on our way. We were getting ready to go do our tents this morning. But then this happened. So we're going to do this before we go. See, that's the bottom piece that broke. Looks like we need to take care of this piece too. That's the part at the bottom, rotted out and it broke. Pieces are okay. You can pause it. Wait a minute. Good one. Yeah, so the inside, now just the outside we gotta complete and we're done. Yeah, so there's the new door all done, eh, Bon?
Yep.
It's all good now? Yeah. So Maka's the main man who look after our pigs.
Well, yeah.
We get the pigs when they were small so we can have some use for our kitchen scraps. Just throw them to the pigs, but these ones now they've gone much, much bigger. And we feed them also with leaves and coconuts and whatever else you have.
You never eat my stuff, aren't you?
That's it.
Ah, pig just lift the saliva on deep.
Yeah, they're just getting all the empty shells out. So that's it from us for today. Thank you for checking out our channel. Hope you enjoyed the little bit of part of life here on Niue. Take care, everybody. Peace.